How many of you have witnessed a Punjabi wedding? Make some noise. Right? See, weddings are to us Punjabis what the full moon is to werewolves. कुछ हो जाता है हमें. There is so much light, shite, glitter, shitter at a Punjabi wedding. I swear to God, one of these days a plane will mistake it for an airport runway and come in for a landing. Punjabis embody that spirit, right? Dance like there's no one watching, laugh like there's no one listening, and drive like pencho there's no one on the road. And bang in the middle of every Punjabi wedding, in the barat, there is a booby auntie. She's the one dancing away with wild abandon. Not caring who her knockers knock off. It even takes a while to stop. This is why they put blinkers on our mares. Prevention of cruelty to animals. And Auntie Ji's pallu specially gravity friendly. And notice, the vigorousness of Auntie's dance is directly proportional to how big a catch the doula is. NRI hai, dungu 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 dungu. This is why the day after the wedding, all Punjabi uncles come down with a bad case of cervical. I'm telling you, next morning ask Uncle Ji, क्या हुआ बेटा गर्दन में बड़ी दर्द है. You dog! It's so much fun observing people. You can make out age groups. Like 20-somethings in the room, make some noise. 20-somethings are the easiest to make out at any wedding. They are the ones walking around with this goofy look on their faces. Like they just humped a rainbow. There's a slow motion background track playing in their heads. La 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 la. But the weddings are to 20-somethings what Bangkok is to Indian men. Then come the 30 to 40-year-olds. They march into weddings with a single-minded focus. They unleash their children on the unsuspecting populace. Jao, tabahi machao. And head straight for the food counter. Love shop, theek hai, biryani na khatam ho jaye. They will pick all the chicken from your biryani and turn it into a veg pulao. Then come the above 70-year-olds who go into weddings to give blessings and take offense. हम जहां खड़े होते हैं मेनोपॉज वहीं से शुरू होता है. There is one song, by the way. Do you know the song which no Punjabi person can resist? ट्रेन वाला गाना याद है? ट्रेन वाला आजा आजा सोनिए सटी रेल गड्डी आई. मतलब कहां से कनाडा कथों से आ जाएंगे लोग. They form this little train. I was at a friend's wedding dancing to this number. Some random dude comes and holds me. Hello भैया आप कौन? मैं डब्बा. The thing is, the one phenomena anybody ought to study, especially Q, the guy who does the gizmos for James Bond, he ought to study this phenomena called the Punjabi woman's blouse. You heard the saying, right? We carry our world with us. Anything you need at a wedding, find Auntie Ji. आंटी मेरी सलवार फट गई. हाँ पुत्र सेफ्टी पिन हैगा ना. ओ प्रीतो जरा शगन देना. हाँ जी ये लो 2000 रुपए. ओ जी वापस आओ शगन का लिफाफा तो लेते जाओ. आंटी दूल्हे के जूते नहीं मिल रहे. हाँ जी साइज 8 में चाहिए, साइज 10 में चाहिए. मतलब genuinely piano, dentures, missing Malaysian Airlines. दाऊद इब्राहिम मोए तू ऐसे छुपिया सी